What's going on, guys? Dopes930 here with a tutorial on how to install your AntMiner ASIC USB dongle. You're going to need three different things. I'll put the download links in the description of this video. So once you get them all downloaded, then we're ready to continue. Make sure you have a mining pool set up. If you don't know what that is, and do some research, you got to have a mining pool set up. So anyways, first thing we're going to do is open the CP10 folder that you downloaded, and you're going to have to install the driver. Either to click the 64 one or the 32 one, depending on your operating system, whether it's 32-bit or 64. Just go ahead and install that. It's really quick, just the device drivers. Once you're done with that, go ahead and exit out of that, and you're going to go ahead and actually plug in the AntMiner at this point. It should light up with a red LED. Then you're going to go ahead and open up the program called Zadig. Once Zadig opens up, you're going to just click on Options, then list all devices, and you're going to want to look for the one that says CP2102 and select that one. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click Replace Driver. It'll either say Replace Driver or Reinstall Driver. It doesn't matter. As you can see now, it says Reinstall, and I click it again just to show you guys that it doesn't matter. As long as you click that button and it runs through, you're fine. Alright, then after that, you're going to go ahead and open up your CG miner that you downloaded. Make sure you use the one in the link I linked, and you're going to extract the one that ends in 24. It'll give you that folder up top called CG miner run. Once you're done with that, go ahead and open up that folder. And inside, you're going to have to create a file. You got to either open up Notepad, or the easiest way is if you just right-click it. Just right-click anywhere inside of that folder right now, and click New, then Text Document, and once you do that, you can just double click on that and it'll actually open up Notepad, or you can just open up Notepad. It doesn't matter. Regardless, you need to open up Notepad and go ahead and copy this information. I'll place this in the description. Copy it exactly as you see it into your Notepad file. Once you've done that, you're going to have to replace a few things with your pool information. So after the O, as I highlight right here, that's where you're going to put your the URL for your pool along with the port number. Then after the U, where it says dopes930_1, that's where you're going to be placing your username. Then after P, you're going to go ahead and place your password, if you have a password for your miner. Everything else, go ahead and leave the same. All the stuff at the beginning, all the stuff after the password, the dash, and so on. Just leave that how it is. And once you've gotten all that in there, you're simply going to go ahead and save the file. Make sure you save as. And you're going to create a new file. You don't want to save it as a text document. So click All Files. And you can go ahead and name it. You can name it whatever you want. I just named mine, I believe, Tutorial. But you want to make sure you put the extension .bat. Because you're creating a bat file. Alright, then you can go ahead and exit out of all your Notepad stuff, and all you're going to do now is double click that file that you made, and it'll open up a command window that's going to start displaying some information, and it should essentially start mining. If you have any problems, it helps to kind of unplug and plug it back in sometimes. I kind of just let it run through here for a minute. And I believe I actually unplug it because mine wasn't working. Yeah, I go ahead and unplug mine, close the program because it wasn't working, and restart it right back up one more time. And this time it goes and it starts working right away, as you'll see here in a minute. Once you get it going, it does it all on its own. But again, for troubleshooting, all I can recommend really is, well, as you can see in the top left corner, it's getting right there 1.6 gigahash. It kind of bounces around. It goes a little higher and a little bit lower. I don't know if it's just mine or if that's how they are. But as you can see, it is mining. And for any troubleshooting techniques I have is to go ahead and use that ZAG, or the program that you reinstall the driver. You might want to click that. and just try unplugging and plugging in the AntMiner. That usually will fix any problem that you're going to have. But hopefully this was a simple tutorial for you guys. It was complicated for me to set it up, and once I figured it all out, it was a walk in the park. So again, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to be making another video where I show you guys how to just overclock it by changing just a very basic thing in the file. And yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. And a link to the product will be in the description as well. Thanks for watching.